I am so excited to try this combo. If I'm ever wearing glasses and no makeup in a video, then no, it's past 8 p.m. No judgment here though. We got some Buldak ramen, extra spicy with cheese of course, and some Jollibee chicken. Of course I got it spicy. Look how red this ramen is, y'all. First bite. This combination is insane. Look at that bite. Spicy on spicy is the way to go. Jollibee truly has the crispiest chicken. Can't forget the protein. I am feeling the heat right now. Some gravy on there. Look at that bite. We're gonna try this with a chicken thigh, some egg on top, and gravy. This is the craziest combo ever. Literally the best of both worlds. Last piece of chicken. So good. I always gotta finish up my Buldak. I am so spiced out. But alrighty guys, I will see you in the next video.